Morning, everybody. Today I'm going to take you through a product that I've been sitting on probably a little less than a year, and I'm not sure exactly why, other than I had bought this and I never put it in service. But now I'm going to go through it. I've had a transformer for some of the outdoor lighting die on me, so this is going to get installed to replace that. Now this is from DEWENWILS, and this is a low voltage transformer. It will power up to 300 watts of lights, and it does have 3 different zones on it, so you can have 100 watts per zone. Control them individually as you see fit. 3 different feeds coming in here, and I believe this is also Wi-Fi. It's a stainless steel box that's lockable. You plug it in, you wire it up, program it, and that's it. You can. It has an app to control it if you want to control it with a phone app. You can schedule your end time. It works with Alexa and it works with Google Home. Why it doesn't work with HomeKit, I'm not sure, but I think it should. So let's open up the box. It's heavy, I'll tell you that much, it's very heavy. And in here we have the product. I'll pull it out. Okay. This is what we have. Also in the box is instructions, the screws, mounting, whatever we want to put on there. All right. As you can see, it has the cord coming out of the bottom, so I do not want to stand it up on the cord. I'll lay it down here on the table. We can take a look at it. It does have a lock on it, which is pretty good. I personally don't need to use the lock, so I'll probably just keep that in a box. Nobody's going to get in there and do anything unusual. And that's what we have inside. Okay, I'm going to lift it up to show you. That's as clean as it gets. Now you can lift the door off of there if you need access to something, but I'll leave the door on it. But your wires are going to come up through the bottom and connect into those zones. Oh, I did lift it off. So you got 2 different settings on each one of these. There's a common, a 12 volt and a 14 volt. Now typically if you have a longer run, you're going to connect up the 14 volt, so it's going to be common and 14 volt on blue, common and 12 or 14 volt on yellow, common 12 or 14 volt on orange. That's your 3 different zones. What I'll have to do is I'll have to work on getting this on my Wi-Fi, and that's something I'll do in a different video. But for right now, I just kind of wanted to give you an unboxing and some first impressions of the product. And to me, it seems like it's pretty worthwhile. It does have an antenna on top for the Wi-Fi. I'll configure the Wi-Fi on this, obviously, before I bring it outside. I won't be able to show you the config of the Wi-Fi because I don't have a separate camera. I'm using my phone. But I will show you how it looks after it's all configured and we're able to control it. But anyway, that's the DEWENWILS low voltage transformer, maximum of 300 watts, 100 watts per zone if you need it. And I hope you take a look at it. There'll be a link in the description if you want to buy one. I'll suggest it because I did my research on this product before I picked it up, and it was exactly what I was looking for. I'm going to make the assumption you'll be able to do all kinds of firmware updates, software updates, and access it through the app because it says so. This is the booklet that comes with it for those that like to know what's in the booklet. So that's where I'm going to leave you right now. And I'm going to put this to one side until I get around to installing it. I will, after I program it, I will make an install video. All right, and you can see right here, that's how you're going to get your app. You're going to just scan a barcode and download the app on your phone. That's all I have to say about it for now. So stay tuned for future updates. Thank you.